Oh boy, rain, a little chilly out there. Hey guys, Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch. Well, I gotta say this, maybe that's kind of nasty out there, but it's nothing like what Kit called me this morning or texted me this morning and showed me a video of actual snow where I was at. So, boy, Kit, we hit it just in time. That road trip we snuck right in between that snow. Thank you. Well, guys, thank you for your time. A few minutes today. I'm going to talk about something I found very exciting coming up. The next road trip. Yeah. On the road last week. Was it this week? Last week? I'm losing track. Anyway, got a call. Gentleman's in Virginia. And his coach, he just bought. He's a proud new owner, a new steward of a coach. The coach is in Texas. And he wants me to go with him out to Texas to pick up the coach and to bring it back to Virginia with him. Wants to learn about it, all the right things. It's great, right down the alley of what we wanted to do. And I said, yeah, man, let's do it. The exciting part is, guys, that he's going to pick the coach up at the Eclipse rally, at the GMCMI Eclipse rally in Mineola, Texas. This just came up, and if I would have had more notice, I would have let you know. But yeah, this is fantastic. So the first day of the Eclipse rally is a Wednesday. We'll be arriving in there, flying in. I'm going to meet him at the airport, and we're going to come over together to the rally. We'll be there early night, Tuesday night. We'll be there all day Wednesday, looking at the motorhome, talking about it, and I'd love to see you guys that are going to be at the convention come over and see us. And then, if things are right, because we're going to go over it all day Wednesday, that's what we're going to be doing. We can't just sit there and talk. You can come with us. But if things look right, we're going to boogie out of there Thursday. Yeah, before the eclipse. But we're going to boogie out of there Thursday morning sometime, heading back to Virginia to another recovery. This coach has been in the GMC community for many, many years, and from what I have reports, is very, very nice. So that'll be good. Not that I didn't have a great time there, Kit. Having the gas tank, we had a 12-gallon tank sitting in the middle of the floor, and every 45 minutes we set the timer to fill 5 gallons into the 12-gallon tank, all the way to Wisconsin. It was fun. Loved it to death. What an experience. This one's going to be a little different. This is a nice coach. We should have no problems or very few problems, and we'll see how that goes. The bonus is, if you're going to that rally, the convention in Mineola, Texas, we can get together. It'd be great. I'll have to see you. And if you haven't made arrangements to go, but you would like to come to the rally, because what will happen, we'll be there the first couple of days of the rally, but man, that's not the reason you're going. The reason you're going is to see the eclipse. And I think that GMC International and the group there did a fantastic job of having a good excuse for everybody to get together and talk GMC. So I know it's late, but if you'd like to come to the convention, there's still some room. And early arrival, there's still some room there too. So I know that that Tuesday night that we could all get together. I'm trying not to interfere with any of their schedule, because they have a very good schedule of events. So, but we'll find a time that we can all get together and talk and all that kind of thing. So this is really exciting stuff, I said, well, this might be fun to do, and by golly, it is. And folks are learning stuff. You can come along with us. Now, I've got enough content from the Wisconsin road trip for several months. You'll see those clips come up and all this kind of stuff. Same thing here. We'll be doing a lot of content to do videos that are of interest in real time, and that's the kind of stuff that I want to have here at Motorhome Rehab Ranch for you guys. All right. Well, man, is that exciting or what? And right after that, if that's not so much, as they say, but that ain't all. But wait, there's more. After that, I'm going to do a road trip from Orlando to Minnesota. Yeah, to Minnesota. And I'm bringing home Mr. Clean. It's a very exciting one. I've been involved with that coach for 15 years, and it is for sale, but it wants to go home to Minnesota a little bit and be enjoyed and stuff like that. So you can come with me on that road trip too. That'll be maybe in May or June, something like that. But definitely make sure that it's not Minnesota cold when I get up there. For you guys that just want content and working on GMCs, this video today is totally meaningless. Sorry. For you guys that are involved, drank the punch and really enjoy these motorhomes and want to kind of see what everybody else is doing and watch new things, you're in the right place. And this was a great video. And we will tell you more as I know more. Thanks a lot, guys. If you like this, definitely share. Let folks know. Uh, uh, you ranch hands, first rendezvous. I love it. Thanks. We'll see you later.